It's been a stormy Thursday for the entire of South Africa, and on Thursday afternoon, a squall line of thunderstorms started to develop here in the Free State, stretching over Lesotho and parts of the Eastern Cape, currently moving in an eastwards direction, where the Weather Service is warning against severe storms leading to gusting winds, localized flooding, or large amounts of small hail as those storms move over the rest of the Free State, parts of the Eastern Cape, and later KwaZulu-Natal. So please be safe out there and vigilant. For now, let's have a look at your Friday forecast. Overnight into Friday morning, those thunderstorms exiting KwaZulu-Natal, clearing up from the west. And then we've got the foggy patches at first for parts of the Western Cape as well as the Free State and Mpumalanga, with this coastal low bringing in light rain for the southern coast of South Africa. And then due to high instability values as well as extreme heat, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms to develop over the extreme eastern areas of South Africa. Morning showers are likely here in the Western Cape with rain along the southern coastline. Mainly morning isolated showers and thunderstorms expected over KwaZulu-Natal, quickly clearing up. But as mentioned, due to the extreme heat, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms to bubble up in parts of Limpopo, possible over the Highveld and Mpumalanga, but due to high instability values, a few of those storms could likely become severe in Limpopo, the Lowveld and Mpumalanga, which could result in gusty winds or large amounts of hail. Our wind forecast map showing a strong westerly wind blowing the morning along the southern coastline, spreading between Gqeberha and East London throughout your Friday, and also becoming windy over the northeastern interior of South Africa. In the Western Cape, it is going to be a mainly sunny day, partly cloudy at first, with light showers likely over Laingsburg as well as parts of the Karoo. Partly cloudy in Cape Town with only 20 degrees and onshore flow expected along the southern coastline. Light rain possible in the Garden Route, where it's going to be a mostly cloudy to partly cloudy day. Chilly with only 17 degrees in Plettenberg Bay. A strong westerly wind at first for the southern coastline as well as Nelson Mandela Bay, spreading between Port Elizabeth and East London throughout your Friday. Partly cloudy skies. It's quite chilly in the Eastern Cape with only 17 in Kua, at 23 degrees the afternoon in Port St. John's. Early the morning, a few thunderstorms likely in KwaZulu-Natal, but quickly clearing up over Richards Bay. Later, a partly cloudy day and heating up in the northern areas, maximum temperature soaring above 30 degrees. Moving to Mpumalanga, where it's a mainly sunny and windy afternoon for the Highveld, and due to high instability values, after an extremely hot day, isolated thunderstorms likely spreading along the eastern escarpment. It is going to be another extremely dangerous, uncomfortably hot day for Limpopo. Please stay hydrated and drink enough water. Do not leave any kids or pets unattended in a hot car. The mercury will soar close to 40 degrees yet again on Friday. And as mentioned, due to the extreme heat, a few isolated thunderstorms might bring some relief, but they could also become severe. It's a mainly sunny day for northwest, windy later over the eastern areas. And then in the Northern Cape, some cloud at first over the western as well as the southern areas, where it will remain quite chilly, but warming up slightly over the northern as well as the eastern areas. A mainly sunny and dry Friday for the Free States, but becoming windy over the eastern parts with maximum temperatures just above 20 degrees. Foggy patches at first here in Bloemfontein as well as parts of the Free State, and also possible over the southern areas of Gauteng, warming up to 27 in Johannesburg, a windy afternoon for Gauteng, 28 in Pretoria. Here's your weekend weather forecast on Saturday. An onshore flow will bring in more light rain for parts of the Eastern Cape, and isolated storms are still possible in Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Lots of sunshine over the interior of South Africa. But then into Sunday, it is going to be a very warm but windy day for the mother city. Partly cloudy skies over the interior with stormy conditions expected over the northeastern areas of South Africa. We'll keep a close eye on those thunderstorms, so keep on watching Box Weather for regular updates.